It's not regulated. There's no regulator on this pipe. Okay, let's talk about some plumbing and inspecting the exterior of a house right now. And I noticed there's an active leak here at the lawn irrigation systems. There's a pinhole leak right there. And we got some more leaking down here. So pretty excessive water going on here, leaking. And they get white PVC pipe going under the house. That is a no-no. This pipe is not designed to go under the house like that when it's pressurized. And this stuff is, very susceptible to leaks, especially when it's not regulated. There's no regulator on this pipe. So we get 150 psi coming through this line. This is not a good condition to have. So whoever installed all this is a knucklehead. You shouldn't have done this, because I checked the water pressure at the other side of the house and it appears fine. So I'm going to go back to the front of the house and I'm sure I'm going to see this PVC pipe coming off the main water line without being regulated. Okay, so like I predicted, the irrigation line is connected before the regulator. So if they would have run this pipe over here, it would have been knocked down to the proper pressure and maybe that leak wouldn't have happened. But that still doesn't mean this is allowed to go through underneath the house. This is not allowed to go through under the house here. So that's what happened. Here's your water main. Water's coming up from the street, which is 150 psi as I just showed. It's coming right here. It's going around the regulator under the house. That's the problem here. Don't do this to your house. Do not run lawn irrigation line under your building. You may wind up with a really bad water damage issue and high water bill because it may leak without you even knowing it.